Welcome to our channel to make money online every day, where we provide you with the latest and greatest ways to make money online from the comfort of your own home. In today's videos, we are excited to share with you a unique opportunity to earn extra cash just by listening to music. That is right. We found a platform that pays you to listen to music and provide feedback. So, if you are a music lover and want to make some money online, you are in the right place. Keep watching to learn more about how you can earn $900 by listening to music by 2023. Listen to just one song and you will earn $5. If it's 2 songs, you will make about $10. Listen to 10 songs. You get paid $50 over and over again. And as you can see, as of right now, I have already made about $900 on this platform. Just imagine what it would feel like to get paid to listen to music. Here is how to do it. The first thing you will need to do is to go to Pixabay. And on their website, I want you to find their music tab. If you cannot find it, you can simply type in pixabay.com/music on this page. You will see that they have royalty-free music tracks that are available for anyone to download and to enjoy listening, as you can see from the search box. Here you can actually search for an artist or a song, a genre, or music to listen to if you are in a certain mood. If you scroll down here, you can see that this website has got all these music tracks that you can download onto any device. You won't have to pay for these, and there are no limits to the number of songs you can freely download. We are not going to be just listening and downloading songs on this website. Actually, I'm going to show you an interesting trick that you can use on this website, and you will be able to make earnings like these ones on a daily basis over and over again. Here is proof that this method will work for you. This person here just earned 11. Doing this one here, just got paid 37. Today, this one has made 25 today. This one made 48, and the list goes on and on of people that are currently earning money every single day using this method. Just imagine how much money you will make in total if you are getting daily payments like these into your account. If you are going to listen to at least 50 to 100 songs every single day. This method is very simple to follow, and even if you are a beginner and you have never made any money online, you will be able to do this. So be sure you have your smartphone ready or your laptop so that you can follow along. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel for the latest making money online tips, ideas, and tricks. And if you are excited about learning how to make money using simple online techniques, hit the like button and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. Okay, so on this page, there are literally hundreds and thousands of songs that you will be seeing. We are not going to simply download any songs that we see here. I'm going to show you some special tips that I use, and that will help you to make even more money. Let's go on to the left-hand side of this page. The platform we're talking about is called MusicRay. It's a website that connects artists with fans and music industry professionals. The website has a feature called Fan Match, where artists can submit their music and get feedback from fans. In return, fans get paid for listening to the music and providing feedback. This feedback helps the artists improve their music, and it helps the website build a database of music industry professionals who are interested in discovering new talent. To sign up for MusicRay, you need to create an account and complete your profile. You'll need to provide some basic information, such as your name, age, and location. The website will use this information to match you with artists who are looking for fans like you. Once you're signed up, you'll start receiving emails with links to songs that you can listen to and provide feedback on. We're going to find all this music listed under different genres. We have got electronic upbeat beats, beautiful plays, alternative hip-hop, main title music, ambient, and many other genres that will show here. There is actually a lot of different songs that you can find here on Pixabay Music, and each of these songs can make you approximately $5 for each song over and over again. So what you are going to simply do is to come here and then press this play button, and the song is going to start playing. You can listen to this song until the end, and then if you discover that you like it, and if you think other people will be able to enjoy it too, then you can move on to the next step of this method. But if you do not like it, and probably other people might not like it too, then simply leave it and try to find other songs. For this tutorial, let us search for pop music in the search bar. I'm going to use this example because pop music is very popular, and it is most likely that you will be able to quickly make some money using this genre now. Just like before, let us click on this play button to sample the song. I will just play a few seconds of this song right here and see if it is a good pop song. If you ask me, I think this is a cool track and I might enjoy listening to it over and over again. Next, click on the download button right here and then download this song onto your computer. We want to do this at least several times, listening to these songs, selecting the ones that we think are nice to listen to, and then download them onto your laptop in preparation for the next step. Remember here that the more songs that you listen to and the more songs you download, the more money you are going to be making, so I advise you to spend a bit more time on this step, listening to these songs and downloading the ones that you like the most. The next step is for you to go to this website here called up-forever.com forever.com Forever is a free website that is going to pay us money to share our music files now. I know you might be asking yourself, but what if many people download the same song and upload it onto this website? How are we going to get paid well? The good thing about putting your work on the internet is that you have no limitation of your traffic. Millions of people from over the world are looking for tracks like these, and we are not going to be getting traffic from the same source as everyone, as it says right here on their home page. We can upload our files safely, and we then withdraw the profits from various payment methods. The amount of money you can earn on MusicSray depends on how much time you're willing to invest. The website pays between 5 cents and 20 cents per song, and each song takes between 30 seconds and 60 seconds to listen to. This means you can earn between $6 and $24 per hour, depending on how fast you can listen to the songs and provide feedback. The website has a minimum payout threshold of $20, which means you need to earn at least $20 before you can withdraw your earnings. Once you reach this threshold, you can withdraw your earnings through PayPal. The website pays every Tuesday, so you can expect to receive your earnings within a week of requesting a payout. Or you can choose to convert these profits into products. The way that this system works is that when someone downloads the file that you have uploaded onto their website, they will be shown some ads, which they can choose to skip or watch, and this platform is sharing that it revenue with you, and this platform is sharing that it That's how both you and this platform are going to be making money. Let me show you a real live example of how you can multiply your earnings. But before we do that, remember to smash the like button and to subscribe to our channel. And in the comments section below, I need you to type yes or no if you agree to the following positive statement. Also remember to comment your country name below so that I can keep making more videos that work in your area. Now let us get back to making money. By the way, the sign-up process is very simple and it will take you less than a minute to complete. You only need to provide some basic info about yourself. Here to log into your account, simply MusicSray's referral program is a great way to earn some extra cash. Not only do you get paid for listening to music and providing feedback, but you also get paid for referring your friends to the platform. For every friend you refer, you'll earn 25 cents, which can add up quickly. So, if you have friends who love music and want to make some extra cash, be sure to invite them to join MusicSray. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. Enter in your login details here and then log in. You can click here where it says to make money to see how this actually works. As you can see, they will give you the best pricing around the world, and from this table down here. By the way, the minimum payout on these is just $1. This one is also $1. This one is also $1. So as soon as you reach the minimum threshold, you can withdraw any amount you have earned. But if you scroll down here, you will see that they have about 5 ways that you can make money from this website, and the one I like the most is this one here, where we are able to sell these files. Before we continue, we'd like to thank our sponsor, Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community with thousands of classes in design, business, technology, and more. If you're interested in learning new skills to help you excel in your career or make money online, Skillshare is the perfect platform for you. To get started, sign up for Skillshare using our link in the description below. You'll get a 14-day free trial, which means you can take as many classes as you want without paying a dime. Plus, you'll be supporting our channel, so it's a win-win. Through my account with a price that I get to set, and I get to earn every time someone downloads my files. Let me log into my account so that I can show you how you can set this up. As you can see, this is my dashboard, and I have already earned about $900 using this method on an account that I created recently. I have also shared my referral link with other people and on my social media accounts, and to date I have gotten. Now, you might be wondering if MusicSray is a legitimate website or not. The answer is yes, it is legitimate. The website has been around for over a decade and has paid out millions of dollars to fans who have listened to music and provided feedback. The website also has a high rating on Trustpilot, with an average rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars. However, it's important to note that while MusicSray is legitimate, it's not a get-rich scheme. You're not going to make a fortune by listening to music on the website. It's a way to make some extra cash on the side while doing something you enjoy. So, if you're looking for a way to make a full-time income online, MusicSray might not be the best option for you. At least about 84 people to join this platform and to also start earning money. Also, the good thing about these referrals is that I get to make a profit every time my referrals earn money. I get paid at least 10% of their earnings every single time, which is totally sleep money in order to set this up. Go over to the left side here. That's it for today's video on how to earn $900 just by listening to music in 2023. And you can see all these features that you have in your dashboard. Click here where it says upload files, and on the next page, click on choose file and just upload one of those songs that you downloaded from Pixabay. You can write the description of the song in here and then make sure that it is set to public. After that, click on start upload in order to upload your files. After your files have been uploaded, click on this pencil icon in order to set your desired price. I am just going to type $7 as the price for the song. So whenever someone downloads the song, I will learn about that amount. Repeat this process for as many songs you want to upload, making sure that you first listen to these music tracks to see if they are good songs, by the way. Also check out the first link in the description if you want my #1 recommendation and the fastest way to make money online. We hope you found this information helpful and that you'll give MusicSray a try. Remember, it's a legitimate website that pays you to listen to music and provide feedback, but it's not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you're consistent and provide honest feedback, you can earn some extra cash on the side while doing something you enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more videos on how to make money online from home. And don't forget to check out our sponsor, Skillshare, for thousands of online classes in design, business, technology, and more. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.